How to make coming soon page on Shopify. By default, as you can see, my store is live. To make it password protected, click on online store. Here you can see preferences, click it here. Here we need to enable password protection. Here we need to set a password. Click on save. Now if we check it in incognito mode, paste the URL. You can see it is now password protected and you can see opening soon. Here click on edit theme, search for password page, click it here. Here you can add different sections, the one you want. As you can see different sections, you can add it. You can customize it according to your requirement and then click on save. This have very limited options. If you want to add countdown timer or other things, you need to install the essential app. Install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. After installing the app, click on create a new timer, click it here. Here you can see landing page, select this timer type. Here we can give a name, this is only visible to you. Here we can change the title, as you can see hurry up. Here we can change the subheading, sale ends in. Here you can see the live preview. Here you can change the call to action button. If you don't want to add any call to action button, you can click here. After that you can add a link here as well. Here you can see the timer type, countdown to date, fixed minutes, daily recurring timer. Here you can see time starts right now, schedule to start later. Then click on continue to design. Here you can change the template. Here you can change the layout. Here you can change the style, pre-made templates. After that you can select the color background from here as well. Here you can change the font of the text as well. Here you can increase or decrease the title size and color. After that click on placement. Here you can see password page, click it here and then click on save and then click on publish. As you can see countdown timer was successfully published in your store. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.